Welcome, crochet creators. Today we're diving into a special space where the art of crochet meets the world of spirituality and magic. My name is Candice, and welcome to Forest Feather Fashion, where being true to your creative self is encouraged. At its core, crochet is an ancient craft that connects us with tradition, creativity, and rhythm. But what if I told you it's also a powerful way to weave intention, energy, and magic into your life? Every stitch you make can be a manifestation of your desires, your thoughts, and your spiritual journey. Crochet, much like magic, is about creation. Just as we set intentions with words, actions, and rituals, so can we with yarn and hook. Each stitch becomes a knot of energy, a way to infuse our work with meaning and intention. Whether you are making a blanket, a scarf, or even a simple square, you are not just crafting, you are weaving your spirit into the fabric of reality. Colors play a powerful role in both crochet and magic. When you choose yarn, you are not just choosing something that looks beautiful, you're choosing the energy it carries. Red can bring passion or a sense of belonging. Orange, creativity and movement. Yellow can represent self-empowerment and courage. Green invites love, abundance, and healing. Blue brings peace and communication. And purple connects us with our higher selves, wisdom, and intuition. By working with the colors that resonate with your intentions, you can amplify the energy of your project. Crochet can also be a form of meditation, a way to quiet the mind and connect with the present moment. The repetitive motions of each stitch become a rhythm, a chant. In this space of stillness, we can set our intentions, focus our energy, and allow the yarn to carry our thoughts into the physical world. This is the magic of creating something with our own hands, with love, focus, and care. You can also incorporate crochet into your spiritual practice by creating sacred items, things like altar cloths, protection amulets, or even shawls infused with healing energy. As you crochet, visualize the energy you want to bring into the item. If it's protection, perhaps imagine a protective shield around the person who will wear it. If it's healing, focus on warmth, comfort, and the feeling of being cared for. In magic, the act of knotting or weaving has long been used as a form of spellcasting. The same principles can apply to crochet. As you tie off each stitch, think of it as sealing your intention. With every completed row, you are binding your energy into the fabric. As we work with yarn, we also tap into the cycle of nature. The wool we use comes from animals, the cotton comes from plants. We are, in a way, working with the earth's gifts. Just as nature has her seasons, so too does crochet have its flow, a process of beginning, growing, and finishing. Each project is a cycle, just like the cycles we experience in our own lives. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of crochet and magic. Whether you're just starting your crochet journey or have been crafting for years, may each stitch you make bring you closer to your intentions, your spirit, and the magic within. If you feel inspired to weave magic into your crochet, please like, subscribe, and join me for more videos where craft and spirituality intertwine. Until next time, happy creating.